What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm bringing you guys another video. So in the last video I installed some carbon fiber mirror caps, and yeah, they're just sitting so pretty. I fell in love with them, but we are missing something. So I was on YouTube the other day just scrolling through like cheap mods I could do to my car, and I saw some smoked out sequential turn signals, and I just fell in love with them. So you know me, when I see something that I like, I just have to order it. So we did. Here they are. Got these on Amazon for like 55 bucks. I feel like it's well worth it for the money. Smoked out. So comparing them to the original ones, I feel like it will just complement the carbon better, and then they're sequential. So these turn signals just like blink when I use the signals or have the hazards on. Unlike these will like go in a certain direction from left to right. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool. And yeah, so I'll just cut back to you guys when it's time for the install. Thanks for the T10, Habibi.
You're welcome.
Hey, yo! Oh no! You're good, get out of here. Get out of here. So we basically took off the carbon fiber mirror cap. We lifted up the mirror all the way up, popped it off. 5 T10 screws on the inside we took out. T10 screw on the outside that we pulled out. Pulled this off, replaced the turn signal with the new one, and put everything back in. That's basically it. I'm gonna give you a time lapse on the other side, and then we'll be done. Guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the quick differences between the installed side and obviously the OEM side. So yeah, this is how the OEM side looks. When I unlock the car, it just blinks, locks, blinks again. When I unlock the car on this side though, oh my god, this thing actually looks so good. I can't wait to see how they both look together, but it looks fire. I'll get back to you guys when we're done on the other side. We got it so quickly, I thought I was gonna time lapse it. Oh, it came off. There we go. Round 2 of taking off the mirrors.
You should have done it with the carbon fibers.
I should have done them together.
Low key.
It's whatever. I didn't know I was gonna get them. Let's take these off. Let's not drop this side again?
Yeah, I recorded you saying that.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we took it off.
Oh, he thought he broke it. He just yanked it low key.
Oh,
but
man.
Yeah, it's internals.
We got the T10 ready.
Yes, sir.
Like I said, 5 screws on the inside, screw on the outside. I'm gonna just take it off real quick and we'll time lapse that.
Time to breathe.
Time to stand.
It's time to breathe. No, it doesn't show it on camera. It's not adjusting. Time to breathe.
Alright guys, so we got the new turn signal here. We put this back in. Let me put this in too. Make sure I got the right one. Got that in. And then put this in real quick. You freaking run out of my way, man.
Almost dropped the camera.
Alright, we got that then.
Damn, that mirror is $525? $22?
Something like that. No, it's probably more than that. I think this part is $522.
Is that cheap?
Hopefully no. Guys, you
Okay,
guys made it to the end of the video. We installed the sequential turn signals. Comparing them to the old ones, these are just way more sporty. I'm sorry about the video not being really like in depth into detail. Like I've explained, like the basics of it. I'm gonna link a video from Kies Motorsports, and they just go in depth, and it's just such a really good video to get to know how to install these. But yeah, that's basically the end of the video. The signals look so much better than the OEM ones. I feel like they're way more sporty. They complement the carbon and the black car way better than the OEM ones do. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we're out. Peace out.